Hello and welcome back to Brain Booster, your go-to channel for all things brain boosting. Today we're going to be talking about something that is not only good for your brain but for the environment as well, plants. So without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 10 plants for your home garden. Number 1, Basil. Basil is an herb that is not only easy to grow but also has a plethora of benefits. It's known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties and is used in many cuisines worldwide. Basil grows best in a warm, sunny environment with well-drained soil. It's best to start growing basil in the spring after the last frost, and it's important to water the plants regularly. Basil can be harvested as soon as it reaches a height of 6 inches, and you can enjoy its delicious flavor in various recipes. Number 2, tomatoes. Tomatoes are a popular choice for home gardens because of their versatility and delicious taste. They can be grown in pots or in the ground, and they need plenty of sunlight and water to thrive. Tomatoes require a lot of care, so make sure to check the plants regularly for pests and diseases. You can harvest them once they turn red and enjoy them in salads, sauces, or simply as a healthy snack. Number 3, peppers. Peppers are another great plant to grow in your home garden. They come in many varieties, including sweet, hot, and bell peppers, and they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Peppers need a lot of sunlight and well-drained soil. They should be watered regularly, but be careful not to overwater them. You can harvest peppers when they turn bright red, yellow, or green, depending on the variety. Number 4, rosemary. Rosemary is an evergreen herb that not only smells amazing but also has many health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and is commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine. Rosemary needs plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. It's best to plant it in the spring, and you can harvest the leaves as soon as the plant reaches a height of 6 inches. Number 5, lavender. Lavender is a beautiful plant that not only looks great in your garden but also has numerous benefits. It's known for its calming properties and is often used in aromatherapy. Lavender needs plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. It's best to plant it in the spring, and you can harvest the flowers once they bloom. Number 6, cucumbers. Cucumbers are a refreshing and nutritious vegetable that can be grown easily in your home garden. They need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and they should be watered regularly. Cucumbers can be harvested once they reach a size of about 6 inches, and they can be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or as a healthy snack. Number 7, strawberries. Strawberries are a sweet and delicious fruit that can be grown in your home garden. They need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and they should be watered regularly. Strawberries can be harvested once they turn red, and they can be enjoyed fresh, in desserts, or as a topping for your morning cereal. Number 8, mint. Mint is an herb that is easy to grow and has many health benefits. It's known for its ability to aid in digestion and relieve nausea, and it's commonly used in teas and other beverages. Mint needs plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and it's best to grow it in pots or in a designated area of your garden, as it can be quite invasive. You can harvest the leaves as soon as the plant reaches a height of 6 inches. Number 9, kale. Kale is a nutritious leafy green that is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Kale needs plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and it should be watered regularly. You can harvest the leaves as soon as they reach a size of about 6 inches. Number 10, sunflowers. Sunflowers are a beautiful addition to any home garden and have many benefits. They attract pollinators and provide a source of food for birds, and they're also easy to grow. Sunflowers need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, and they should be watered regularly. You can harvest the seeds once the flower heads have dried out, and they can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or used in cooking. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these plants are easy to grow and provide numerous health benefits. Thank you for tuning in to Brain Booster, and we'll see you in the next video.